best vacuum cleaner under $100. Whether you're looking for a vacuum cleaner for your home or for your office to clean up dirt, dust, allergens, bacteria, or pet hair, you want to find one that's powerful, easy to maneuver, easy to clean, and ideally also does a good job cleaning up those hard to reach places. And of course, if they are friendly on the pocket and really reliable, that's a plus. It can be difficult to narrow down on which ones are the best ones you can consider. So what we've done in this video is to look at what are the most popular ones out there that are highly functional, does a good job cleaning up, are lightweight, and most importantly also value for money. We've managed to narrow it down to 4 vacuum cleaners that are very popular and a lot of people have used them and have given a lot of good feedback about them. And in this video, you get to see them in action as well. The first one we found is called the Shark Rocket Corded Ultralight Hand Vacuum. Now the Shark Rocket has been really popular because of these main few features. Firstly, it is less than 4 pounds. Compared to a lot of vacuum cleaners in the market, this is a really lightweight one that's easy for you to move around. They also have a fixture called the TruePet Motorized Brush for handheld deep cleaning. This brush is especially useful for things like pet hair or hard to reach places. The dust cup is also really easy to empty, so this is a backless vacuum cleaner that's very easy to maintain. And because of the 15-foot long power cord, number one, you don't have to worry about it running flat when you're vacuuming the stairs, and you can go up and down your flight of stairs without having to worry that the cord isn't long enough. Last but not least, the Shark Rocket easily extracts things like pet hair, dirt, dust, and allergens from upholstery, like a sofa and furniture all around the house. For more details about the Shark Rocket, and also to check out the current pricing, you can go to this link, bit.ly/srocketultra. Here's a video of the Shark Rocket being used.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
The next vacuum cleaner for stairs is called the Eureka EasyClean. What we like about this vacuum cleaner that is just under 4 pounds, so it's also very lightweight and portable, whether it's for your home, for your car, or for your garage. The filter of the Eureka EasyClean is integrated into the machine itself, and the dust canister is easy to remove and empty. The Eureka EasyClean also comes with a 20-foot cord that gives you extended reach to clean an entire room, a whole set of stairs, or even a vehicle in the driveway. This nifty little vacuum has 2 motors, one for the brush and one for suction, to ensure that there's a thorough clean. If you want to check out the full features of the Eureka EasyClean and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/EurekaEasy. Here's a video of it in action. The third vacuum that's highly popular and has been used by thousands of people is called the Bissell Cleanview Deluxe. Now don't let its size fool you. The Cleanview Deluxe is lightweight but has a powerful 4 ampere motor powering it. The specially designed curved carrying handle makes it easy to carry around, especially with the power switch at the end, which makes controlling it a breeze. Also, it comes attached with an 18-foot power cord, which is more than ample to go up flights of steps and never having to worry about your battery dying. There's a multi-level filtration system inside of this vacuum that helps reduces household allergens, and the dust cup is also very easily removable and easy to clean. And one of the reasons why many people like the Cleanview Deluxe is because of the different nozzles that you can attach to this vacuum cleaner to match different functions. To check out the complete specifications and to check out the current price, you can go to this link, bit.ly/Bissell Cleanview. Here's a quick video of the Bissell Cleanview Deluxe in action. The fourth and final vacuum cleaner for stairs that we've shortlisted is the BESTEK Corded Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Now the BESTEK vacuum has a HEPA and sponge filtration that locks in small particles to prevent the spread of allergies and bacteria. And because of its lightweight design, you can carry it effortlessly around the house or up the stairs to wherever the mess is. The BESTEK vacuum has been designed in such a way to easily glide over different kinds of surfaces and is perfect for stairs, hardwood floors, and furniture. This vacuum is very versatile because you can use it at full length or without the extension tube if you want to use it for handheld cleaning. Last but not least, it's easy to maintain the BESTEK vacuum because the dust holder and filter can be easily disassembled for cleaning. If you want to see the complete specs for the BESTEK vacuum and check out the current price, you can go to this link, bit.ly/BESTEK 2-in-1. Here's a video of the BESTEK in action. Now all the 4 vacuum cleaners we've shortlisted are excellent for cleaning around the house and perfect for cleaning on stairs as well. Looking at the features and benefits of each vacuum cleaner, our personal favorite is the Shark Rocket Corded Ultralight. Because of its functionality, its portability, how lightweight it is, and how well it does the job of cleaning up places, and more importantly, its value for money, the Shark Rocket has won our hearts. So if you'd like to check out the Shark Rocket in more detail, and check out the current price, you can go to bit.ly/srocketultra. Alright, thank you for watching.